Hello everybody. Haven't made videos in quite a while because I got a new job and I work at this job from 8 to 5 p.m. and it's all the way in Garden City Park. Anyway, this is a 2006 Marvel bar refrigerator. We're actually getting rid of it because apparently the thermostat is bad. We replaced the thermostat already, and apparently this time it went bad again, like a few days ago. And my father looked for it online, and it went bad while this was still under warranty. But now it's 9 years old now. But you can't get a thermostat for this thing anymore. So we just called it quits, and we just got a brand new GE bar refrigerator. Don't know how long that one will last, but the thing is, the refrigeration system it didn't lose any of its refrigerant, not yet, I should say. And the system still works just fine. It's just that the thermostat is bad, and it was unable to maintain its proper temperature. Show you the inside of it. A little bit smelly in here. Where is the number? Here it is, right there. Okay, Marvel Industries, Richmond, Indiana. Don't know if it means that this was made in the USA. Model and serial number 6BARTE 101105024. This takes R134A, 115 volts, 3.3 amps. Here's the underside. Yeah, this is the thermostat. That's bad. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this thing in to see if this thing will even turn on. Okay, it may not turn on because it's like 57, 58 degrees out right now. It may still turn on, but I don't know. And there it goes. Yeah, so this is a good example. This thing is still able to work, but it's just that you can't get a thermostat brand new for this thing anymore. It's typical whenever certain appliances warranty expires, you can't get the parts anymore. Here's the back of it. Wiring diagram. Doesn't say anywhere that it's made in China. That's the good thing. It's at least this isn't a piece of China pride, as far as I know. Here's the condensation collection tray right there. Yeah, I hear refrigerant flow. You know what? JK18, I was wondering if you can have this thing, since me and my folks don't need it anymore. since we got a brand new GE fridge, it says it's not made in China or anything. You know what, actually real quick I'll show you our brand new one. Here's our new one. It's a GE Monogram unit, and if you press here, it turns the light on in there. It's got a digital thermostat. Here's the information of this brand new unit. We just got this about a week ago. And this thing is made in Slovenia. I don't know if it's good or not, but I didn't really look up the information of this particular unit. But this is actually quieter than the Marvel. It's still going. Open it up. Yeah, I'm showing you that the system is still works just fine. And this is a tray where the condensation is drips onto, and there's a tube right there, and it drips down to a tray. Yep, this is getting cold. That's cold. So JK18, maybe you can have this unit. You can put this in your back porch and replace your shitty Igloo China Pride mini fridge for your beer. This thing will be perfect for your beer. So, thank you all for watching, and JK18, I hope you can get this and take this out of our hands. Thank you for watching.